We all know and love the idea of dining out like the women of Sex the City. Chatting about our wins and losses in love, seeing what's new in fashion and current affairs, and generally feeling pretty glam. This is great, but the reason this idea works so well is that you're used to the food and more so, aren't really trying anything new. Sometimes it's great to go out and actually have an experience centered around the food. Enter our favorite little man and pop-up restaurant that packs a huge, flavoursome punch, Le Petit Chef. We had the pleasure of dining there ourselves recently, and would definitely recommend it to all who like an entertaining and immersive experience. With projectors overhead, illuminating the table and taking us on the journey that saw Marco Polo visit many nations on the Silk Route, this is a dining experience not to be missed. Masterfully mixed cocktails accompanied each course, which in turn corresponded with a different cuisine. Flavors from France, India, the Middle East and China all graced the surprise menu on the night we visited, and neither course nor cocktail failed to impress. The environment encouraged communication outside of individual parties who attended the restaurant, as we were all sat either side of one long table, and with the guidance of Le Petit Chef himself, always found our conversation returning to the great food we were eating and what a fun time we were all having. This pop-up will run until the 31st of March, and with limited shows and great reviews, we suggest you book your dining experience now. Join our menage a trois, Laith Ashley, Dustin and Lance Black, Trixie Katya cover our January 2018 issue. Bye now.